નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, વેદ ડિજિટલ એજ્યુકેશનમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે। આજે આપણે ધોરણ 8 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ ના યુનિટ 5 ના સ્વ અધ્યયન પોથી વિશે ચર્ચા કરીશું। જો ચેનલમાં નવા હોય તો ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરજો જેથી આવી તમામ માહિતી મળતી રહે। એક્ટિવિટી 1, complete the conversation by using how many and how much. Tanisha and Utsavi are cousins. Utsavi is in class VA and Tanisha is in class. Tanisha's social science teacher discussed about online shopping. Tanisha liked his idea so much and she decided to buy things in online. Now Utsavi and Tanisha are online. Tanisha says, "Hey Utsavi, let's us first see the mango juice. How many mango juice packs will we order?" Utsavi says, "One, and how much does it cost?" Tanisha says, 35 rupees, but you know we will get to buy one and get on free. Utsavi says, "Wow." Tanisha says, "So my dear sister, now don't quarrel with me." Utsavi says, "Okay Tanisha, Mummy told me that there was no sugar. Can we buy it online?" Tanisha says, "Of course. How much sugar shall we order?" Utsavi says, 2 kilograms. Tanisha says, "Pen, pencil, colors and notebooks are also there. How many pencils do you need?" Utsavi says, 6, and please order on 1 color box also. Tanisha says, "Okay." Oh wow, we have saved 10 rupees on the purchasing. Utsavi says, "So how much is the bill?" Tanisha says, 105. Now enter the address and we got after 1 day. Utsavi says, "But what about payment?" Tanisha says, "It will be on the doorstep. When we get product, will we check and pay. It is called cash on delivery system." વિડીયોને આગળ વધારતા પહેલા આપણી એપ્લિકેશનની માહિતી લઈ લઈએ। પ્લે સ્ટોરમાં જઈને વેદ ડિજિટલ એજ્યુકેશન નામની એપ્લિકેશન તમે ડાઉનલોડ કરી શકો છો। ત્યારબાદ આ પેજ પર તમે તમારો મોબાઈલ નંબર ડાયલ કરતા સેન્ડ ઓટીપી આપવાથી પેજ ખુલશે। એક્ઝામ પેપરમાં એકમ કસોટીના દરેક પેપરો જોવા મળશે। આ પેજ ખોલતા દરેક ધોરણો જોવા મળશે। તમે તમારા ધોરણ પર ક્લિક કરવાથી તેના વિષયો જોવા મળશે। કોઈપણ વિષય પર ક્લિક કરવાથી તેમના પાઠ જોવા મળશે। પાઠ પર ક્લિક કરવાથી પાઠની સમજૂતી, સ્વાધ્યાય સોલ્યુશન, અભ્યાસ સોલ્યુશન અને સ્વ અધ્યયન પોથીના સોલ્યુશનો જોવા મળશે। વિડીયોને આગળ વધારતા Dear students, like Utsavi and Tanisha, you can also purchase online. So first make a list what you want to buy in the given table. Pen, 5 liters. How many? 14. Milk, 2 kilograms. Sweets, notebooks, 24. Oil, 15 kilograms. Compass box, 5. Activity 1B. Fill in the blanks with how many and how much. Answer them. પહેલું, ખાલી જગ્યા pencil do you have? How many? બીજું, ખાલી જગ્યા milk do you take every day? How much? ત્રીજું, ખાલી જગ્યા time do you take to go to school? How much? ચોથું, ખાલી જગ્યા money did you pay for school bag? How much? ખાલી જગ્યા students are there in your classroom? How many? ખાલી જગ્યા ball pens will you need? How many? સાતમું, ખાલી જગ્યા brothers and sister do you have? How many? ખાલી જગ્યા time do you watch television daily? How much? ખાલી જગ્યા chocolates did you eat last week? How many? ખાલી જગ્યા chapatis do you eat at lunch? How many? Activity 1C. Write an order from the given clause starting with CA in given puzzles. A large edible flower. Cauliflower. બીજું, you use it for sending greeting and invitation. Card. ત્રીજું, the sheep of the desert. Camel. An orange colored root vegetable. Carrot. પાંચમું, the leader of theme. Caption. A table showing days, months and weeks of year. Calendar. સાતમું, a humorous drawing. Cartoon. આઠમું, you take photos with it. Camera. The young one of a cow. Calf. દસમું, meat eating animals. Carnivores. 11મું, the art of beautiful handwriting. Calligraphy. 12મું, a plant that grown in the desert. Cactus. Write words related the lexis that are given in the example. પહેલું છે bank, account, deposit and cash. બીજું food, vegetable, salad ને milk. Friend, understanding, competition and friendship. School, class, playground, teacher. Vacation, fun, break, relaxation. Painting, art, colors, sketch pens. TV, remote, set-up box, cable. Season, winter, monsoon, summer. News, reporting breaking news and exclusive. Music, guitar, enjoy, sing. Activity 2A. Read the dialogue and answer the question. પહેલું, what was Manubhai is blood group? Manubhai blood group is B+. What did Dhanush and Raghav never miss? Dhanush and Raghav never miss their cartoon show. Who went an account to be opened in bank? Dhanush and Raghav want to account be opened in the bank. ચોથું, was Manubhai was caring person? Yes, Manubhai was a caring person. પાંચમું, if your blood group is O+ and you want to donate blood, on which number will you contact? I will contact 0383838955. Activity 2B. Study the poster dance Dhamal competition given below. Answer the question. What is the competition about? The competition is about dance. બીજું, who will register their entry fee? The participant will registration the entry fee. What is tagline of competition? The tagline of competition is Dhamal with your style. What will be prize for winner and runner up? The prize of winner is rupees 10 lakhs. The first runner up ₹5 lakhs and second runners up to 2 lakhs. બીજું, how will the register your entry? I will register my entry on www.com Dancer Dhamal and Organization. Activity 3. Match the sentences for rhyming words. પહેલું, why did the police visit him? Because they thought he was a thief. બીજું, why was he angry? Because his favorite team didn't win. Why are you taking a sweater? જવાબ આવશે A. Because it is going a cold tonight. Why did you buy a new computer? જવાબ આવશે E. Because old one was broken down. Why is he so happy? Because he got good result. Why did you tell her our secret? જવાબ આવશે C because she is instead me. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. Why did you buy new computer? જવાબ આવશે because I didn't think strong. Example, why was he angry? Because his favorite game didn't win. બીજું, why are you talking a sweater? Because it's going to be cold tonight. Why did you use computer? Because old one was broken down. ચોથું, why he is so happy? Because he got good result. Why did you get a cat? Because I didn't kite dogs. Why did you tell our secret? Because she is interested in me. Why are you late? Because I missed the bus. Activity 4A. Read the table below. Hand wash. Avoid close contact anyone. Cover your mouth and hush. Do you spit? Consultant doctor is sick. Avoid using public transport. Stay indoor. Do you overconsume medicines? Stay safe alert. Don't panic and easy. Take utmost care. Don't touch your face. Father says, take care and avoid close contact with everyone. Virat says, yes, Papa, I will be careful. Father says, wash your hands frequently. Virat says, okay, Dad, I will do. Father says, cover your mouth and nose. Virat says, yes, Papa, it is good idea. Father says, if you feel sick, consult your doctor. Virat says, of course, Papa. Father says, don't spit anywhere. Virat says, no, I won't. Father says, please do not panic. Take it easy. Virat says, I will be careful, Papa. Activity 4B. Make an invitation card, language day and celebration. We are organizers on language exhibitions of our school. Day, Monday 8 January, time 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Venue, school hall. Special activities and attentions. Grammar and language games, historical topics, creative writing, authors study. Language is power, life and instrument of culture. Invited by General Secretary. Activity 5A. Let's make some honey lemon tea for you, your family, members and friends. The ingredients are given below. 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon sugar. After heating, steam lemon juice. Discover. Take a pot, pour water into pot, add honey into water. ચોથું આવશે, heat the mixture of water and honey for 1 minute. પાંચમું આવશે, after heating, stir lemon juice until honey is discovered. છઠ્ઠું આવશે, at last add the sugar and stand mixture. સાતમું આવશે, your honey lemon tea is ready, enjoy it. Activity 5B. Here are 4 pictures. It is the recipe for making rice. They are not proper order. Arrange them proper order and write the recipe below. પેલું, rinse the rice before cooking. Bring the water to boil. Once it's boiling, add a pinch of salt. Reduce heat low. Cover the pot with the lid. Cook rice until the water absorbs. The rice is ready. Activity 5C. Here are some steps about how to wash the hand. The steps are written in the squares, but the painter made miss talking the driving. Match the drawing with the sentence. અહીં એક હાથ કેમ ધોવા? યોગ્ય સોપાનો આપેલા છે. સોપાનો યોગ્ય ક્રમિક રીતે લખેલા છે, પરંતુ ચિત્રકારે ચિત્રો યોગ્ય ક્રમમાં દોરેલા નથી. ચિત્રોને યોગ્ય વાક્ય સાથે જોડો. પહેલું સ્ટેપ છે rub between your finger on each hand. બીજું આવશે step rub your hands with a finger together. ત્રીજું આવશે rub around each for your thumbs. ચોથું આવશે rub in circles on your palm, then rinse or dry your hands. પાંચમું આવશે wet hands and apply soap. Rub palms together until soap are bubbly. છઠ્ઠું આવશે rub palm over the back of the other hand. Activity 6. Ask the following detail to your brother and sister. Complete the following table and compare the detail using the words given in the brackets. An example given below will help you. I am older than my sister. I am shorter than my brother. My brother is longer than my sister. My sister is lighter than I. I am lighter than my brother. My brother is hairy than I. My sister's hair is shorter than my hair is longer than my brother's hair. My brother's hair is longer than my sister's hair. I am cooler than my brother. My brother is angry than. My sister is cooler than my brother. Activity 7A. Here is picture describing Right to Education Act 2009. See and read carefully, then answer the question given below it. પહેલું છે Is primary schooling free? Yes, primary schooling is free. Rakesh is not allowed government school because he is poor. True or false? જવાબ આવશે false. ત્રીજું Radha is allowed to give her opinions freely in her school. True or false? તો જવાબ આવશે true. Who consider your view? જવાબ આવશે my teacher consider my view. પાંચમું The right I like the most is all children are welcomed. છઠ્ઠું I am not allowed to earn my culture. True or false? તો જવાબ આવશે false. Find a pair or similar word. Consider and teacher. How many fundamental rights are there in our Constitution? There are 6 fundamental rights on Constitution. Now this picture and information is about Right to Education Act 2009. Thusmo RTE. RTE means Right to Education. Activity 7B. See the picture given activities. Carefully read all the information and decide in paragraph. This is the picture of information of Right to Education Act 2009. This act says that the primary education is free primary education for all children and they have to go school every day. Children have their own school rooms. They will learn about their culture. Teacher will consider children's view and trust on them, listen to them and their parents. This act says all the children should know their rights. Children will learn many important things. They will never afraid. Activity. Does the dog listen to him? Yes, the dog listen to him. Does the dog know everything? Yes, the dog knows everything. ત્રીજું, write this sentence about dog. The dog shares, the sings, the man, the dog cuddles up, click the hand, the dog understands the man's feelings. ચોથું, try to write similar rhymes here. My sheep listen to me when I talk. He goes with me when I go for a walk. Thank you.